Friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a wired mic system with the help of normal speaker, 1 watt speaker. So let's see. So friend, is it possible to make a mic with the help of this speaker and with the help of audio jack? I don't know. I think it will work. So let's see. So I will combine this speaker with this audio jack and I will install it on music system, and I will test that is it possible to make a mic, that is wired mic, with the help of these two equipment. So let's see. First I will solder it and then I will test it. So friend, now I have connected this 1 watt speaker with a audio jack, 3.5 mm audio jack, and I will check it will work or not. Friend, now I will connect this unit with music system and I will check it works or not. So I am just connecting it with the mic unit. So please keep it here, power it on. So friend, I have connected it with aux mode and let's see how it works. It is working. So friend, you can see it here, it actually worked. So it is quite easy to make a mic like this way. However, it is without any amplifier, so it is not so loud. However, the technology is quite simple. So I think all of you have liked this video. So please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press like button. Thank you.